Living a life like this, guys. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, wow, guys. Holy God. He says I can go down it and not get hurt. I mean, it, over there. It looks like I could get hurt. All right, guys, we're going. Let's just go. My legs are shaking right now because I haven't jumped anything this tall since I was young. 9 meters? That's 9 meters? That was an impact. Oh, gosh. There's so many foreign bugs here. I'm not used to seeing. Alright guys, I got some like yoga mats here and stuff. Man. Imagine doing yoga out here. Holy crap. Oh my God. Oh wow, guys. That is beautiful. This is amazing. Imagine just doing yoga up here. Wow, I'm not even a yoga guy, guys, but I am like stunned. Like, I'm just stunned by the view of this. Wow. You got all the rice terraces right there, all the way down the hill. Damn. Very blessed, guys. Very blessed. I just feel like grateful, and all those words are coming to play here. Let's go over. That's our that's the restaurant to have breakfast. Whew. You're gonna need some breakfast to be able to hike to some of these waterfalls. It's gonna be a strenuous workout day today, but we need it. Clear the mind. Get some of this fat off the body. Damn, guys. Every view is just holy crapola. I actually don't think there's that many people staying at this resort right now. Like, I only saw a couple of people last night at dinner, so. Hey, more for me. All right, let's get some breakfast. All right, nobody up here. Look at this pool, guys. Wait till you guys see this pool spot. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Look at this. What? That's unbelievable. That's definitely up there in the top 10 views, guys, I've ever seen in my whole life. It's made the list. It's probably number 3, maybe. I'm just throwing it out there because I can't even think of the other ones right now, but that is. Let's get some breakfast. And we got a dragon fruit bowl and a mixed banana pineapple smoothie, and then the cocaine coffee. Yeah, guys, this is sick. Yeah, so last night you guys couldn't see this, but this is the lobby area. These grounds here are just everything. Lush, green, tropical paradise. If that's what you're looking for, just pick this place. Just pick the Maha Hills Resort. It's off the chain. That's all I gotta say. It is just everything. Look at this furniture they have here. Damn, guys. I'm loving it. We're going to get some waterfalls. Let's go. Alright, guys, we found waterfalls. This is where we're going. We're going to Aling Aling. We're going to some Blue Lagoon, Kempar waterfalls. Let's get this on the road. Ready? This is my guide. What's your name? Katut. Katut is taking me. He says I need a guide because I don't want to get lost. Let's go chase some waterfalls. Guys, I am so freaking excited right now. You don't even want to know the area that we're in. Holy crap. Guys, nothing's even looking real. Like this is unbelievable here. Guys, this is gonna be epic. Good morning, guys. Good. Some type of fruit. Guys, look at that house. Oh, there's our bridge. Even the grass looks fake. This is nuts. Oh wow. This is unbelievable. Wow, we're bouncing. We are bouncing. You guys see that right there coming down? We are bouncing on this thing. This thing is like, oh. I'm like almost tearing up, guys. I'm not even lying. And these are the offerings, dude. They're giving the spirits. Tranquility. Tranquility. Trick? Yep. Alright, we're getting deep now, guys. You guys see this freaking jungle here? This is steep. Dude. My legs are already like, oh boy, it's one of those days, huh? I'm like, yep. Oh God. Oh, please, GoPro. I hope you are gonna do justice on what I'm even seeing right now. I want to relive this forever. This memory, this spot that I'm in. Oh my God, like magical, guys. Look at those leaves on that tree, and I can see the waterfall right there. Oh. Holy God, guys. Look at that. Deep in the fucking jungle. And they got that. I mean. Oh. Look at these stairs. Oh. Can I jump? No jump. Damn it. Angling falls, guys. What the hell? That is sick. Angling falls in northern Bali. We're hunting waterfalls, and this is only number 1. Talk about an amazing place. Feels like I'm in like the Amazon rainforest or something. I want to jump, but my guide back here was like, nope. Oh, let's go, let's go. On to more waterfalls. We just soak this up though. Living a life like this, guys. Oh, I'm so excited. All right, where are we going? Yeah. We're going across the river? It says we're going to the Blue Lagoon, but I gotta cross this river. Oh, that water, guys, that water is cold. That's, I mean, when I say cold, I mean like maybe 80. But there's little footholds I gotta stick my feet in. Yeah, if you got any medical ailments, you're not gonna wanna do this one. That way? That way. I can see why you need a guide now. Oh my God, these stairs. We're dying. We're gonna make it though. It's like the volcano hike. We'll make it. And guys, we're walking up right now to the Blue Lagoon. Tell me that isn't the most unbelievable thing you've ever seen. That looks crazy. Oh yeah, we are jumping in here. Man, the trek here was tough. My legs are shaking, but we're gonna make it. All right, guys, we have landed. Northern Province, Bali. We're at the Blue Lagoon. Look at where we are. And I mean, I'm just getting straight in this thing. Water is, it's cold. It's cold. Whew. Yeah. Can you even believe this, guys? Sick. It's something I only see on the Discovery Channel. Woo. Let's get over to this waterfall. Oh, this is cooling my body down a lot. Oh, I got a current. I just realized I'm swimming against the current. All right, I gotta put you away. I gotta swim. This is the rope that I gotta use to get up there? Oh, fuck. Oh, man. All right, hang tight, guys. Whew. All right, that was the climb. Look at this crap, guys. Look at this cave. What? I am slipping my fat ass right in there. Oh, wow, guys. Holy God. Oh. Hell yeah. Bali. In Bali. Wow, this current's strong. It's actually pulling me over the waterfall. Holy shit, I almost went over. Oh, roll swing. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Insane. Insane. Alright, guys, we're in the waterfall. Ready? Hopefully I can hold this GoPro. Let's go. Yeah! Buddy! Woo! Absolutely sick. What sick life experiences that I'm freaking living right now. Oh, so awesome. Now for one of those of the awesome places that I get to take a pee in. Right here. Right. This is my pee face. Love it. Oh my God, look at that bug, guys. Yeah, I just found a couple Australian people that are here to Bali and just met them at the Blue Lagoon. What's up, guys? Look at where we are. You think this is safe? Safety is not on their list here, you know? Bali. Welcome to Bali. We're going to another waterfall. What's the next waterfall? What's it called?
Korea.
Korea. Says I can jump off this one too. Yeah. Man, we are trekking, guys. It's been like 30 minutes. Yeah. Look how red-faced I already am. My legs, they're like, help me, helping me.
Korea waterfall.
This is what?
Korea waterfall.
Korea waterfalls. Oh, wow.
Do you want
I can slide down that?
Yeah, slide it.
I can slide down that.
Yeah. You want to try now or later?
I might want to do it right now.
Yeah.
Really? I can slide down that and not get hurt. Really?
Yeah. And there a jump 5 meters.
And then a,
That's perfect.
and then a jump right there?
Yeah.
All right, guys, we're going in. We're going in, yeah. Can I go in right now?
Sure. Oh, wait.
Yeah.
Wait.
All right. Says I can go down there. I mean, guys, that's far. Let's go. All right, guys, I'm about to go down this waterfall. He says I can go down it and not get hurt. I mean, it over there. It looks like I could get hurt. Oh man. Oh yeah. All right, guys, we're going. We're going. Oh shit. We swallowed the shit ton of water. That was so sick. I'm gonna do that again. We're gonna do that again. That was freaking epic. Oh my god. Oh, talk about insane. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh man. Oh, that was the coolest thing I've ever done. Oh, look at this guy come. He's coming too. Oh. Oh, I hope there's no parasites in this water, because I took some down the hatch there. Watch this guy go. Here he goes. Oh, so awesome. I'm gripping these rocks for my life. Oh man. Blessed, baby, blessed. Hell yeah. So sick, guys. All right, so we get to do this again. Woo, minute. All right. I really can't even believe you get to go down this thing. Like once I get in this water, man, it starts to push me quick. So, all right, here we go. Here we go. Woo. Oh, holy shit. Woo. Oh man. Epic. Epic. Of course, guys, we like adventures. Let's just go. Woo! That was sick. Woo! That was higher than I thought. I mean, this one's tall. How tall do you think this is? 9 meters? That's 9 meters? My legs are shaking right now because I haven't jumped anything this tall since I was young. Oh man, he's going. Oh man, all right. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Sick. Well, I gotta do it. I mean, we're here, you know? All right, guys, this is a 9 meter waterfall jump. Here we go. I'm gonna try to grip this GoPro as tight as I can. Oh God. That's all right. That was an impact. Oh gosh. Hurt the back a little bit, guys. I landed a little bit on an angle. Hey, you live and learn on this, you know? Whew. I'm not young anymore. My body's telling me that. Oh, let's try to get out of here though. Oh. So I hurt my back on that last jump. Look how good this guide is, man. He's giving me a fucking back massage. Oh, man. My body is just too fat. That last jump, man, I just pulled my back a little bit. Like a little tweak I felt. And as I was moving more, I'm like, oh, it's tightening up, let's get out of here. So that's where we are. I got back to the room, it was just massages all day long. But it was still worth the trip. Waterfalls are awesome. Alright, I made it back to the room by the grace of willpower and determination. I got a massage ball on my back. I got my massage cane. I got my back brace. We definitely a little tweaked on the back there. Oh, I got a pain pill in me. Oh. Yeah, we gotta get into shape here. Landed a little bit wrong on that 9-meter waterfall, but we made it, and I still wouldn't change a thing, besides probably landing better. All right, I gotta let my back relax, and then the rest of the day today is just massages all day long. Adventuring at 44 years old. Right now we got the ice going. We just had them come and bring me some pain medicine. They got pain medicine, some cream for my back. They don't know. We should be good though after 4 or 5 massages, so let's go.